In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Cursor IDE and select GPT-5. First, we'll get Cursor up and running on your computer. Cursor is a developer-friendly code editor based on VS Code, but with AI features baked in to help you write, refactor, and explain code inside the editor. Start by heading to the official Cursor website and downloading the installer for your operating system. Choose the build that matches your device, then open the downloaded file to begin installation. On macOS, that usually means dragging the app into applications. On Windows, follow the setup wizard and approve any security prompts so Cursor can install correctly. When the installer finishes, launch Cursor. On first open, it may prompt you to import settings or extensions from VS Code. If you're already a VS Code user, importing can save time, but it's optional. Give Cursor a moment to index and initialize. This helps ensure the AI features are ready to go. With Cursor installed, let's select GPT-5 in the chat panel. Open Cursor and bring up the chat with the quick command. Use Command plus L on macOS, or Control plus L on Windows and Linux. You'll see a chat sidebar that looks similar to a coding assistant panel. At the top, there's a model selector that often defaults to Auto. Click that selector to open the list of available models. From there, choose GPT-5. Once selected, the label near the chat input should reflect the new model, confirming it's active for your next messages. A few tips as you switch models. If you don't see GPT-5 in the list, make sure you're on the latest version of Cursor and that your environment has access to advanced models. Availability can vary based on updates and your plan. If performance feels slower after switching, that can be normal with larger models. Give it a moment to load responses, especially on longer prompts. You can always switch back to Auto or another model using the same selector if you want faster replies for simpler tasks. Also, keep an eye on the model label before you send a prompt to ensure you're actually using GPT-5 for that particular chat. That's it. You've installed Cursor and set the chat panel to use GPT-5. From here, you can ask the model to explain code, generate functions, or refactor files directly within your project, all without leaving the editor. If something doesn't look right, a quick restart of Cursor or a check for updates usually resolves it. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Cursor and GPT-5.